An oncomer is a microRNA that is associated with cancer. MicroRNAs are short RNA molecules about 22 nucleotides in length. Essentially, mRNAs specifically target certain messenger RNAs to prevent them from coding for a specific protein. The dysregulation of certain microRNAs has been associated with specific cancer-forming events. Many different oncomers have been identified in numerous types of human cancers. Oncomers are associated with carcinogenesis, malignant transformation, and metastasis. Some oncomer genes are oncogenes, in that overexpression of the gene leads to cancerous growth. Other oncomer genes are tumor suppressors in a normal cell, so that underexpression of the gene leads to cancerous growth. Oncomers cause cancer by down-regulating genes by both translational repression and mRNA destabilization mechanisms. These down-regulated genes may code for proteins that regulate the cell's life cycle. Oncomers may be at increased or decreased levels within cancerous tissue. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.